This is job number 19576. This is a revision number 1 to the Bellevue Wedgewood condos. Originally we were gonna refill that pool with concrete and then put in a concrete pad here at the trash enclosure. So I'm gonna show you the existing picture I had originally. So you have this carport right here and you've got these 2 stalls. Well, they're gonna turn this area right here into a trash enclosure, and it's going to look something like that, where you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different 4x4 little brackets so that they can put 4x4 wood posts into and build their fence. Alright, originally this was a smaller pad, but we're going to increase it to a 14 foot by 10 foot pad. So there's 16 feet of curb we need to remove. 16 feet of curb here. Some tree roots that we need to remove out of here. We've got a 14 foot by 10 foot area of dirt that we're going to have to take out. That is approximately 8 to 10 inches deep. So you got about 8 to 10 inches of existing dirt there, and then we're going to have to go down another 6 inches to get below the asphalt surface. And then what we want to do is do placement of 6-inch concrete, which is a 14 by 10, as you can see in my picture here. 14 by 10, and you see that area in red. It's going to be about an 8 foot by 3 foot asphalt ramp that we're going to have to build right on the outside, because this slopes downhill slightly. I can't remember what the grade is on that, but I'm thinking we're going to have to do an 8 foot by 3 foot ramp there that will probably end up being about 6 inches tall and gradually making its way down to the asphalt. That way we can make this concrete pad level, because right now this is the high side and this is the low side. One of the other things that we need to do is remove about 3 foot by 8 foot of this existing concrete out here, in order to get 10 feet from where that curb is. If you were to draw a straight line down, we got to come back 10 feet, over 14 feet, and back 10. Removal of wheel stop, removal of curbing, removal of dirt, removal of concrete here. And on the placement, we need to build a curb wall that goes around the outside, and this curb is going to have to probably be about 8 inches tall, because right now that curb is 6 inches tall, and I'm sorry, 8 inches. So that's 6 inch tall curb right there, and we'll probably have to go up another 2 inches in order to be level with the existing concrete pad. So we'll build a wall on top of the 6 inches of concrete, make that another 8 inch tall by 4 inch wide wall that goes back, probably a little bit wider than 4 inches, because we got to put those cleats in there, those brackets for the wood posts. No, actually, probably could just keep it at 4 inches, but 4 inches wide, 8 inches tall wall going back 10 feet. Then it's going to have to gradually get a little bit bigger as it goes out here, so it'll probably increase to about 10 inches tall out here, and that's a 14 foot stretch there that we need to build a concrete wall about 10 inches tall, 4 inches wide, 14 feet long. And then we got to come back out this way, probably same 10 inch tall wall, 4 inches wide, 10 feet long. Alright, and so because this is sloped in this direction, we'll probably have to build this area up a little bit with some asphalt, so that way it'll be able to go up to the concrete, because the concrete's going to be a little bit higher here than the asphalt if we're going to make that level. It's either that or we cut down into this asphalt a little bit and make this level here. So keep this here but dig down over there. I'm thinking we build this up. All right, so that's it for that. And then over here in this section, we've got about a 34-foot stretch of concrete here that goes over to the corner of that concrete pad where we need to do a saw cut. And I'll provide a map on Google Drive with measurements on what that saw cut needs to be and how much removal of concrete we need to take out over there. Any questions, let me know.